Hello viewers, welcome back. In this tutorial we are going to learn the coefficient of determination. So in the last lecture, last tutorial, we have learned how to find out the regression line in the last tutorial, and after that we need to find out how good is this line is. So to find this out, we have to take the theory of coefficient of determination. So what does it say? It's say that r square, the coefficient of determination is also known as r square. So r square equal to 1 minus ssr divided by sst. So what is sst? Let's see. So let's sst equal to yi minus y mean whole square. So let's go to the graph out there. So these are the values of y's. Sorry. So these are the values of y's corresponding to x. So let's see this point. It has a y value of this point and x value corresponding to this. I'm bad at drawing, sorry. This point. And so if we say yi is this point, and for this xi, for this input, and y mean. So what is y mean? So if we mean this all the output values, all the y's, and we will get a line like this one. This is the y mean line. So this is the yi. So this difference is yi minus y mean, and if we have to make it square and sum for all the points, and this will produce total sum of square. And next we have to find ss r, which is sum of square of residuals. So what does it tell? Let's take this point. Let's say this is the yi. This is the yi, and fi is the point, and okay, let's find the xi2. Sorry, and this is the xi, and for this xi we have predicted value of y, that is fi, which is defined here as fi is equal to this point. So this is the point of yi, and this is the point of fi. So if we subtract these 2 points and find the difference, then square it and sum for all the point, then we will get ssr. After that we will use this formula, r square equal to 1 minus ssr divided by sst, and find the value of coefficient of determination. So let's go to the code now. We will use the previous code. We will just make some amendment out there. So let's make some changes out there. The predicted regression output, I will change this variable to f of I, and here too I will change the value, change the name to f of I, so that we can match from the formula. And then okay, I think, yeah, I to change there too. Let's make this f of I. Okay, we can change, we can make an amendment out there. Let's give a label of this data, of this plot. These are the labels, these are the data, and for this I will give a label of predicted. Okay, and for this one I will give a label of, let's give it a label of regression line. Okay, yeah. So let's see the plot, let's see the output again. Oh, sorry, I have to show the ligand. So plot dot ligand, I have to give a location out there, loc equal give 4. Okay, let's run the code now. You see, this is the regression line, and the blue points are this data, and this point, black point, is the predicted. So let's go to find R square. Let's define a function def. Okay, let's name is coefficient. Am I right? Yeah, coefficient of determination. Okay, I have to give the values out there of xi, yi, and the predicted value f of I. Then okay, what should I do now? Let's see the formulas out there. Okay, take this out. Okay, first of all, let's find the SST. So to find SST, so right here, SST equal, what should I do? First of all, find the mean of y. So here y is yi, so find mean of yi. Okay, mean of yi, then subtract it from each y of I. So subtract it, yi minus this. Now make it square. So I have to make it square. Okay, when you do this, just double star 2. Okay, and after that I have to sum all the elements now. So read another bracket. Now write sum. Okay, then I am done with SST. Now I have to find SSR. So to find SSR, let's give SSR equal so SSR, to find SSR, we have to take the help of this formula. First of all, yi minus fi. So subtract y of I minus f of I, then make it square. Okay, so I have to make it square. Double star 2, make it square, and I have to find the sum of all of them. So let's find the sum of them. Okay, after that I have to implement this equation. So write r square equal to 1 minus give a bracket out there, SSR divided by SST. Now return this value, return r square. Let's call this function here. Change them to Control X, bring them here. Now let's call the function here. Let's coefficient of variations equal coefficient variation. My function is, I have to give the value of xi, yi, and f of I out there. Okay, now print the value out there. So write something before the coefficient of determination, or r square is plus convert to string str to the coefficient of determination. Okay, now now I can do what? Yeah, I can print this now. Okay, and this is the output out there graph, and here is the coefficient of determination, and you can see we have the value of 0.89, which is around 90%, which is good enough. This is all for this tutorial. See you in the next one. Thank you.